Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Vibrant Gujarat Summit 2022 focus on renewable energy and hydrogen. Green energy collaboration between India and UK. Update on solar projects. Update on electric vehicles. Coming to the details. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate on January 10, 2022 the three-day Vibrant Gujarat Global Summit 2022 at Gandhinagar that seeks to attract investments in the state across sectors. The 10th edition of VGGS would have the name of Atmanirbhar Gujarat to Atmanirbhar Bharat. The focus areas of the summit would be the key national initiatives and topics of global relevance that include sustainable infrastructure and manufacturing, National Hydrogen Mission, renewable energy, electric mobility, and future technologies. The prominent sectors from where companies would be participating in the summit would be renewable energy, chemicals, food processing, and financial services. Even before summit inaugural, the state government has already signed MOUs with 20 companies worth 25,000 crore rupees. Every Monday till summit on January 10, 2022, more MOUs will be signed. Around 70% of MOUs signed with the companies at the summit get fructified over a period of time. India's Science and Technology Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh held an online meeting with the United Kingdom Science Minister George Freeman, wherein the two discussed green energy collaboration between the two countries, among other issues. The India UK science and technology collaboration has been growing at a rapid pace, and the joint research program has gone from an almost zero base to close to 300 to 400 pounds now, calling for a greater India-UK collaboration in clean and green energy areas. Four value chains contributed about half of the cumulative carbon savings. Technologies to widely electrify end-use sectors such as advanced batteries, carbon capture, utilization and storage, hydrogen and hydrogen-related fuels, and bioenergy. The Newton Baba MOU provided an opportunity to take India-UK science and technology cooperation to the next level in various research areas, for example, energy security, food and agriculture, water, health, climate change, environment studies, as well as social and cultural changes that are taking place in India. The Council of Scientific and Industrial Research and Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute has developed the world's largest solar tree, which has been installed at the CSIR CMERI residential colony Durgapur. There are total of 35 solar PV panels in each tree with a capacity of 330 watt each. The inclination of the arms holding the panels can be adjusted, a feature that is not available in roof-mounted solar facilities. The energy generation data can be monitored either real-time or on a daily basis. The installed capacity of solar tree is above 11.5 kilowatt. It can generate 12 to 14,000 units of clean and green power annually. Each tree will cost 7.5 lakh rupees. The solar tree is capable of incorporating IoT-based features, that is round-the-clock CCTV surveillance in agricultural fields, real-time humidity and wind speed, rainfall prediction, and soil analytics sensors. GHCL signed a memorandum of understanding with the government of Tamil Nadu for investment of 500 crore rupees in the state. In order to fulfill its commitment towards sustainable business practices and reduce its carbon footprint, GHCL has proposed to set up 20 megawatt solar power park near Musiri, Tiruchirappalli district. At the moment, 52% of energy requirements of GHCL's yarn business is fulfilled from renewable sources. Once the project is completed, almost 70% of GHCL's energy requirement for the spinning business will be from renewables. Wari Renewable Technologies Limited has received a letter of award from India Focused Renewable Energy Group for engineering, procurement and construction turnkey works contract. The contract is for setting up of 140 megawatt DC solar power plant in the state of Gujarat. International Advanced Research Center for Powder Metallurgy and New Materials ARCI, an autonomous R&D center of Department of Science and Technology and Bengaluru-based Ensure Reliable Power Solutions, signed an agreement for technical know-how transfer and training for personnel to set up lithium-ion battery fabrication lab. A fabrication lab for lithium-ion batteries will soon be set up in Bengaluru in an attempt to boost upscaling and commercialization of the technology. The transfer of know-how will be based on the expertise developed in the establishing the lithium-ion battery process and its successful demonstration in electric scooters and solar street lamps by the Center for Automotive Energy Materials (ARCI) under the Technical Research Center on Alternative Energy Materials and Systems in line with Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. Marking its foray into domestic electric vehicle space, Nupur Recyclers plan to set up 200 charging points and several battery swapping stations in association with EVI Technologies. The installation of these ubiquitous charging points have already commenced from Dwarka in southwest Delhi and will shortly be expanded to other areas in Delhi NCR region. The company aims to expand the installation of charging points as well as the battery swapping stations in other metro cities by the end of this financial year. The metal scrap processing and recycling firm said that it will offer a battery exchange facility for electric two-wheelers, three-wheelers, rickshaws and charging facilities for electric four-wheelers. Automaker Nissan wants half of its global sales to be electric or hybrid vehicles by 2030 and plans to plow billions of dollars into the effort. Unveiling the new long-term plan, Nissan will launch 23 new models, including 15 new electric vehicles in a bid to reach 2030 goal. Additional news today. 57 thermal power plants with cumulative capacity of 66 gigawatt are running with coal stock of less than 8 days. Andhra Pradesh State Energy Conservation Mission of Energy Department for the second consecutive year will announce Andhra Pradesh State Energy Conservation Awards 2021 on the occasion of National Energy Conservation Week from December 14 to December 20, 2021. IIT Delhi and Business Sweden, the Swedish Trade and Invest Council have signed a memorandum of understanding to strengthen collaboration in the field of clean air and green energy. Central Coalfields Limited signed an MoU with the Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education for ecological reclamation of mined out areas and overburdened dumps over the next 5 years. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 168.58 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night 2 rupees 8 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 3 rupees 22 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 4 rupees 57 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 3 rupees 34 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 3 rupees 53 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. In green day-ahead market, 5.51 million units of volume cleared with a weighted average price of 3 rupees 88 paisa per unit. Thank you and good day.